Welcome to the tutorial on using the bot for automatically forwarding messages from Discord to Telegram. Discord and Telegram are fantastic platforms for communication and community management. However, managing information across both can get complicated, especially if your audience is split between the two platforms. That's why we've developed a solution, an automated bot to seamlessly connect Discord and Telegram. This bot helps you save time by automating message forwarding and boosting your management efficiency. In this video, you will learn how to set up the connection, register your account, and configure the bot. Let's get started. To begin, ensure you have 3 tabs open: Discord, Telegram, and our website. Step 1. Register your account on the Discord to Telegram website. Click on Register Account. You'll be directed to the account registration page. In the username field, enter your desired username. For example, demo_account01. Next, enter your password. Then, enter the email you want to link your account to. Finally, double-check your information and click Register to complete the account creation process. After successful registration, you will be redirected to the config token page. Here, you'll need to input your Discord token and Telegram bot token to link the two platforms. Step 2. Retrieving the Discord token. First, go to your Open Discord tab and click on the Discord Token Guard Pro extension. Click Get Token to obtain the token, then click the copy icon to copy it. Now, return to the config token screen and paste the token into the designated field. Step 3. Retrieving the Telegram token. Next, you'll need to add your Telegram token. Open Telegram and search for the bot called BotFather. Make sure it's the verified bot with the checkmark from Telegram. Use the command /newbot to create a connection bot. The bot will prompt you to name your bot. For example, name it Telegram Discord. Next, set a unique username for the bot for identification. Once completed, BotFather will send a success message along with your bot details, including the access token and a link to the bot. Click Start to activate your bot. Return to BotFather, copy the access token, and paste it into the Telegram bot token field. Finally, click Save and Continue to complete your token configuration. It's as simple as that. You've successfully set up the bot to automatically forward messages from Discord to Telegram. This video focuses solely on the connection setup. Check out our next video in the playlist to learn how to create automated tasks between the two platforms. To save you time searching, I've included the link to install the extension below in the comments section. Please note, this extension only works when you're on the Discord platform's website. It won't function on other websites, as it's specifically designed for Discord. Rest assured, this extension is completely safe. It doesn't contain malware, nor does it access your information without permission. Your data is fully secured. We prioritize security and value the trust of our customers. When you place your trust in us, we guarantee we won't let you down. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides in the future, and see you next time.